Hey, what's going on? It's Caleb, and I have two major announcements in this video. And honestly, one of these is probably the coolest thing I've ever done, so I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So for background, last month I released a beginner fundamentals course. The inspiration for this was that in my time mentoring, I found a core set of skills that many people were lacking, and these were the skills needed to increase the chances of landing software engineering roles or to be able to confidently build software. So my idea was basically, let's extract all of that essential information that people are lacking and have it in one location. This would effectively be a nutshell that'll give you the core foundational knowledge to make you a better software engineer. And there was a very clear desire and need for this. Nearly 150 people joined during my early access week-long launch. And I finished all this material and I believe it turned out great. The material is fabulous. It gives you a very solid core set of skills. And these are all the core skills that I believe will help you learn everything else 10 times faster. But you can only cover so much in a fundamental level course. The material ended up being close to 15 hours long and you build 2 or 3 projects, but I wanted to go deeper. I wanted to cover more topics because even if you have those beginner skills down, when you get into more challenging applications, you're going to be in a similar situation. You're trying to build apps, but you're missing some core skills at the intermediate level. Same idea with the advanced level as well. This isn't about learning some framework, it's about building an even stronger foundational layer so that you can succeed building more intermediate and advanced applications. Basically following that same idea, let's extract all of the core principles and core skills that an intermediate or advanced level engineer would need to know. And we'll bring all those into one place. And out of this was created my intermediate fundamentals and advanced fundamentals course. So 2 courses that are an extension of the beginner fundamentals. That's the first announcement and I'm early accessing that this week. So if you're interested in joining at a major discount, I'll have a link down below. So the intermediate is basically a continuation of the beginner. We're going to cover similar ideas, but go a bit deeper, but we'll focus a bit more on building applications end to end. Advanced is a bit different where we focus a bit on exploring different programming languages and different paradigms of programming, exploring new technologies that are important to know, but are less common for beginner or intermediate level projects. But they're core skills you're going to want to know if you want to build scalable apps. So I'll show you a bit more of what I want to cover in these 2 courses, but I wanted to first share my major second announcement, which is the CodeBreakthrough Vault. So the idea behind the CodeBreakthrough Vault is all of my most valuable information in one place. I created this because when you buy my courses, there's a lot of information I want to share to help you be successful, but a lot of this information is not how to build a certain app or how to code in a certain language. They're more principles and approaches for your career and your life. So this is everything I taught in my mentorship program where I worked with people one-on-one and in a group setting. So this has real recordings from mentorship calls that I've ran over the last year. Some of these calls are ran by me, but I also teamed up with an ex-Meta tech lead. And our goal is to give you the most valuable real-world mentoring that will help you in your career and life immediately. So a big one is how to level up yourself and destroy limiting beliefs, how to expect more from yourself and get better results, how to completely optimize your job search so you have the most likely chance to be successful searching for roles, how to properly apply and network so that you're seen and that you actually have an opportunity to land software engineering roles, how to provide value to companies and negotiate to get the most for your efforts, how to thrive in the workspace, and ultimately how to progress to senior level engineering roles. Now this covers an array of topics. It's basically the most important question and answers that software engineers might have. I've had people tell me directly that the stuff we talk about has completely changed their life. Not just teach them how to do one thing or fix one problem, but change their perspective and their approach to their career, their life, and ultimately get so much more out of what they put into their life. So the Vault is a limited early access bonus, meaning if you join the course during the early access sale, you will gain access to the Vault. After that, the Vault is closed. So that sale is going on right now. It'll be running throughout the rest of this week. After this week, the course will close and it'll be closed until I finish all of the intermediate and advanced material. At that point, I will reopen the course for anybody to buy at the full price, but that Vault will not be an option for the advanced tier. So it's only an early access bonus. This is because I want to reward people who support my courses. So if you're joining early access, you get this bonus. And I also want to reward action takers as that's often the mindset you need to get the results from the stuff I teach in the Vault. Now, if you're watching this after the early access closes, do not fret. We will have opportunities to get this in the future for other early access sales, but for the fundamentals early access, this is the only chance for you to get it. So if you miss it, you'll have to wait for another early access opportunity in the future. In addition to the mentorship lessons, anybody who is a Vault member will get additional discounts and bonuses on future sales. So it's basically like my most focused, highly motivated group of people who get the most benefit from the material that I produce. So if you plan on following along on this journey and continually building your software engineering skills, I highly encourage you to check out the Vault. So let's take a moment to explore the different levels of this course and go into some detail of what the Vault will cover. So I already talked about the beginner fundamentals in an earlier video, but basically this is going through a lot of computer science concepts, the basics of programming, building your first web apps, deploying applications. So basically this is a great starting point if you've never coded before or you just want to make sure you cover everything, you don't have any gaps in your knowledge. Going into intermediate, well, it is still early access, so we don't have all of the exact details written out quite yet, but the essentials here is that we're going to learn to build front ends and back ends, so we'll get stronger skills in JavaScript and TypeScript, whereas the first course really focuses on computer science and back end principles. We do a little bit of front end, but not a ton, so here we'll definitely focus on that a lot more. We'll learn about API design and architecture. We'll learn a lot more about end-to-end app development, so speccing out projects and converting business ideas into code. We'll talk about producing maintainable APIs and documentation. We'll learn how to work with data and databases, and we'll have some projects that you can build to test your skills. This will help you get to the skill level of a mid-level engineer. And then you can move on to the advanced fundamentals where we explore some different topics. So we're going to look at some different languages, Rust and Go. We'll explore multi-threading and parallel computing. We'll look at Docker and container orchestration. We're going to look at real-time apps with WebSockets, running other programming languages in the browser with WebAssembly. This one's huge. I'm super excited about that. We'll also look at state management and how to build more complex applications. This will also have some projects that you'll follow along with as well. Now, this is the CodeBreakthrough Vault. I already talked about why I created the Vault, but you can read some of that here. Inside the Vault, my first thing is I want to teach you how to progress through the Vault material. I'll give you a roadmap that will teach you how to get from point A to point B being a successful software engineer. You can still apply these concepts if you're not directly interested in becoming a software engineer. Maybe you already are a software engineer and want to progress in your career, or maybe you want to get into freelancing or entrepreneurship. Everything's still going to apply here. We'll have top resources, websites, and books, other things that every engineer needs to go through. I'll give you an audit template that you can use to check your LinkedIn, your portfolios, your GitHub, to make sure you are set up for success and you have unlimited opportunities coming to you. We'll talk about interviewing and how to interview with confidence, the different types of interviews you have to worry about. We'll talk about getting better technically, how to build real-world experience, tricks to get more out of skill prep and networking. I'll give you a complete approach to networking that I use to land multiple offers. So I'll show you exactly what to do, the exact things to say, how to actually network. Because a lot of people say, yeah, you need a network, but what does that mean? We'll talk about general frameworks and approaches for success in your life and career, different perspectives to help with building software, insights on freelancing, building your own companies, and creating custom software, how to effectively use AI to help with development and studying, and then a variety of other Q&A from the recorded mentoring calls. So I'm absolutely ecstatic about where we're going with this. I think this fundamentals course bundle is going to really give you a solid foundation. And for future courses I release, I'm going to build off of those skills in the fundamentals. And then basically, in parallel, we can apply all of these skills we learn to our life and career. So I'm going to teach you how to get the most out of those skills you're learning, how to learn more effectively, and actually progress in your career, all within the Vault. So I'm super excited for this. This is really the biggest focus of mine right now, and I really want to make the absolute best courses and Vault for you. So if you are interested and you want to check it out, I'll have a link down below. As a reminder, it is an early access limited thing, so you'll want to check that out as soon as possible. And if you're watching this in the future, stay tuned for future early access opportunities. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming content.